Hey everyone, my name is Aisha if you haven't been on my channel before, and make sure to subscribe and like this video before even watching it because you know it's gonna be good. Anyways, I'm going to be reviewing, I guess, my new Wildflower phone case. So yeah, also if you like the new background setup, I know it's not the best, but I tried, and if you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Anyways, let's get on to the video. So I got it in the mail today. I'm not gonna show you the other side because it's my address on it. I'm gonna try to open it. If someone would get me scissors, this would be really easy. Guys, it's not opening. Okay, I got the scissors. Let's open this up. They're literally kid scissors, guys. Oh my, I'm so excited. Okay, here's the receipt. This is the phone case I got. It is literally the cutest phone case on their website. I'm so excited. Like, I literally needed this in my life. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. And the packaging is so nice. If you've never bought from them, I've never bought from them. The packaging is really nice. It comes in like with belt. It's literally like velvet. Yeah, let's open it. I'm literally getting my fingerprints on everything. Let me take it out. Here it is. It's so pretty. Okay, there's a little welcome to the fam. And it's just, oh, that's so nice. That's just what it says. It's really cute. And it has like all their little links or whatever. So this is a phone case. I forget what this is called. I think it's, let me check. This one's called, I'll also link it down below for you guys. This is the Latte Love iPhone case. So yeah, looks like this. It's also really like durable, I feel like. So I'm excited to use this. I would put my phone on it, but or not put my phone on it, put this on my phone, but I actually film with my phone. A lot of you guys ask me what I film on. I literally film on my phone, so I'll show you in the mirror, I guess. But yeah, here it is. It's super cute, and just like imagine the pictures. I'm excited. So yeah, let me show you on my phone. So this is a phone case on my phone. It's really cute. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know. And yeah, I know this was a short video, but I wanted to share my phone case with you guys because I know a lot of you guys are always looking to buy Wildflower cases. I was for the longest time, and I didn't know if I should or not, and I did, and I was actually really happy with it. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye.